Bluetooth hands-free link lets you make and receive phone calls through your vehicle's audio system without handling your phone. To determine if your phone is compatible, call 888-528-7876. Place your compatible phone where it will get good reception. The pairing procedure must be done while the vehicle is parked and the power is set to accessory or on. To pair a phone for the first time, press the Phone button on the touchscreen. Make sure your phone is in Search or Discoverable mode. When the system asks if you would like to add a new phone now, select Yes. Select Honda Civic on your phone. The system issues a pairing code on the screen. Make sure it matches the code on your phone. After you've confirmed on your phone that the codes match, a notification will appear on the screen when pairing is successful. When your phone is paired, the contents of its phone book and call history are automatically imported to HandsFreeLink. To make a call using the imported phone book, press the Phone button and select Contacts. The entries are stored alphabetically. Select the desired name, and dialing starts automatically. To make a call using a phone number, press the phone icon and select Keypad. Dial the number and select Call. When there's an incoming call, an audible alert sounds, and the incoming call screen appears. You can either answer or ignore the call by selecting the appropriate icon with the selector wheel on the steering wheel. See your vehicle's owner's manual for even more details.